This is my interaction video using a screen recording with QuickTime. This will be my main menu screen. I haven't yet imported my video, but this is kind of a rough draft of my project, and I'm gonna be showcasing the three interactions that I added. My three subtopics are listed here. I'm doing the first one. These are dummy buttons presently, but I will be developing the facts about the Japanese elementary school. Um, my first interaction is going to be my pyramid stack. And on my pyramid stack, I have some active buttons down here at the bottom. I chose green to kind of break up the blue and white. The go back button is an active button. It will take you back to the previous slide. And in this case, it will be a video that I record, which I have not put in there yet, which will have pictures and of Japan and of Japanese elementary schools. Um, so I'm going to display the go back button, and of course it went back. And then I have the main menu button, which is also active. That will take me back to the main menu. I plan to incorporate um, the main menu button on all of my slides so that a user can stop at any moment and then come back where they left off. And then, of course, the continue button takes you to the next slide, which is the activity title slide, which will lead us to my second interaction. But going back, as you can see, that button is active. I'm going to go back to my interaction. Um, this is the pyramid stack, and this just details the teacher hierarchy in a Japanese elementary school. The Japanese is over to the left. I would like to incorporate audio so that a person could hear the appropriate pronunciation of the Japanese word, but presently I am not able to add that. I'm not familiar with how to create a separate file of just my audio and then import it in the Captivate. So that'd be something I'll be working on this week. Um, as you can see, the second step on the hierarchy, the third step, and then finally the fourth step, or the fourth place on the hierarchy. Okay, so I'm going to move on to the activity page. You can see again, this is the main menu key. It'll take you back um, to um, the main menu, and now we're going to get into my second interaction, which is the drag and drop. So I have a list of all of those Japanese titles that are on the pyramid stack, and then you would just drag these over. Kocho Sensei is a principal, Kyoto Sensei is an assistant principal, Rito Kyoshi Sensei is the lead teacher, and then just a general teacher is a sensei. And then when you place all of these on the drag and drop, you would hit submit. And I have not yet mastered how to get a success message here, but it would give you um, an error message if you did them wrong. I've also see that I'm probably going to need to have a clear button, which I'm not familiar with how to add either, which would reset these if, for example, you made a wrong selection. And this will take this next continue button, and these buttons again are active: the go back button, the main menu button, and then the continue button, which will take me to my last. Excuse me, that's taking me a little faster over. It's going to take me to my last interaction, which is I would like to have a certificate of course completion, which will come at the very end of my project after my final exam, which would be a summation of all three of the subtopics. And I wanted this to be interactive so that the person could type their own name, type the title of the course. Their scores would be tallied up using the exam feature here or the quiz feature here in Captivate. The date changes. So today's the 13th and it would be the 14th, depending on when you access the program. I really like that. And probably another big challenge for me is going to be how I can incorporate a signature. And I'm not certain how I can do that. I'm guessing I'll have to make a signature, probably take a picture of it, and then import it that way and just cut and paste it. And then finally, there's the print feature, which you just click the print button and the user would be able to print their certificate of completion. Um, on this screen, there will be also an active button, which I did not add yet, which will take you just directly back to the main menu. I don't want the user to be able to go back into the exam, which would be the screen, the last page of the exam, which would give your results. I don't want the user to be able to go back into that screen um, because I don't want there to be any type of cheating or um, I want my module to have some value. So I would definitely welcome any um, constructive critiques or comments to help me improve this module because I'm really looking forward to it being a very fine capstone project. Thank you very much.